Everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will show you the easiest solution to fix this problem on your Block Blast game. Just you should follow and watch this video till the end. Just open the settings of your device. First, click here on Apps option and search right now for Block Blast and click. So scroll here this list, click Storage, click Clear Cache and back. Click on Force Stop Only and click OK. Click at Battery, just make it on Optimized mode, just be sure of that. Then move to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. You have to open it and search for Block Blast. Click on Block Blast. If you have here the update button, you should update your game. Next, after updating your game, just restart your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.